Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as Dee Dee. So I'm just scrolling down my feed, and I'm seeing everybody in their garden, and it just motivates me to, come and tend to my garden. She needs a lot of tending to, but I finally got my grapevine gone over, and then what I need to do is, since it's coming over this side, I'm going to put some posts throughout here, right? So I need 1, 2, 3, and maybe a 4th right here, and then connect it to this one, and then it'll vine all through there, because you can't see it, but I have netting right there. So that is the goal for now. Then when I first moved here, my rosemary was down here. Now look at her. She's so big and pretty. So here is how I got my rosemary to grow. Just pick the tops. Your plants like to feel needed, so if they don't feel needed, they're not gonna grow. So, and every time I do that, she gives me more, and more. That was an experiment. I know a place where my melons like it, but I know they say to rotate your crop, so that's what I'm trying to do. But my melons, they don't like it over here. I think it doesn't get enough light over here, because this is the north side of the garden. And this is my liquid gold. What I like to do is I like to get like my grass clippings, and then I put them in the pot. I put them in the bowl, or I put them in the bucket, and then after a while it turns black. And you got to add the water. Don't forget to add the water. Then I have my shampoo ginger. This is what is this called again? It's not maple, but it's oak. There you go. It's an oak tree, but I got to cut that out. And then I got more blackberries. Got to be careful with those. But I have my shampoo ginger over here. I'm just waiting for them to bloom for me so I can get some shampoo. I need some shampoo. Oh, and then that is my, I can either turn it into a compost container or a water container, an underground watering canning system. So, yeah. So if you see these in my garden, that's either for compost or it's for water. Now, here is my palmetto, I think that's what it's called, saw palm. But I don't know what to do with these. I've harvested them before, but they're just sitting in the container in my house. So if you know what to do with these, please let me know. As you can see, my garden is a mess. However, she is healthy. Super, super healthy. And these are ground cherries, and they are so freaking good. It's like a tomatilla. It's like a tomato, a cherry, and a peach had a baby. It's so good. Then I caught myself trying to make my own soil. And look, now I got melons. And I don't have the heart to take them out, so I'm just gonna let them give me some melons. So that's about it today. I gotta go inside and make something to eat for everybody. Gotta go get breakfast started. But until next time, baby, it's your girl. I know you guys did. Peace, love, and shea butter, baby.